It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today's recipe, I don't really know the direction we're going. I'm filming my intro before I make the food, so yeah. I'm going to a potluck and I need to bring something that's easy to share. And I feel like I want to do a pasta dish because I just do. But I don't want a cream pasta, so I'm thinking something Asian inspired, a noodle dish. And I kind of just want to experiment and see how it goes. So if you want to see the pasta or noodle dish that I'm going to make, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is add oil to a pan on medium. Do as I say, not as I do. And then we're gonna go in with some minced garlic, and you'll see the pro tips down at the bottom. Minced garlic, and then I feel like I should have added my scallion right here, but I'm gonna go in with my crushed red pepper flakes instead. And then I'm just mixing that around before I go in with my soy sauce. As you can see, the reason I said medium heat is because you see it splashing all over the countertop. Just ignore that and keep going. All right, so now that we've got that mix, we're gonna go ahead and with some rice vinegar. And again, pro tip, add a little bit more because why not? Mix, add a little brown sugar. And again, pro tip, add more because why not? And then going in with some green onion that I chopped, and this is what it looks like when it finally sautés down. Then you're gonna take that off the stove and put it to the side. All right, next you're gonna go in with your plant-based meat, and of course, pro tip, thaw the meat, don't be lazy. And then spread it apart or break it apart, and then go ahead and add it to your noodles, the noodles you did according to package instructions, and then add all of the ingredients back into the pan. Add a little kosher salt to finish it off. This is what it looks like when it's all done, and this is what it looks like when it's all done. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.